Okay, so I'll be honest, I didn't plan on doing this video. I just made these donuts for breakfast and we made the first batch. They're so good. So I'm gonna share with you how I made these because, gosh, they're so good. Here they are. These are, so I made 4 for the first batch. Y'all, these are so good. So Owen and I have each eaten 1, so we've got 2 left, which I'm gonna make even more, and I promise I'm gonna show you guys how to make these because they're so good. Okay, so the great thing about this recipe is you only need really 3 ingredients. Grand's Flaky Layer biscuits, some melted butter, and powdered sugar. Or you can do cinnamon sugar, you could do a chocolate glaze. I'm just gonna do powdered sugar. And then, Mama? Hi Bubba. Hold on, let me finish. And then you're gonna need tongs. Of course, always tongs, because you know I love my trusty tongs. And then you're gonna need something to be able to cut the hole in these. So here are the ones that I've already started. You're just gonna take your biscuit, and this is actually one of those little dressing cups. Yeah, I'm making donuts. It's like one of the little to-go dressing cups. So I'm just, yeah, making donuts. You excited about donuts? Donuts. So you just, yeah, So then you've got your little donut ring, and then put all the extras, all the little donut holes right there, because I'm gonna do a separate batch of donut holes. And of course you're gonna need your air fryer, which I love. This is the Instant Vortex air fryer, and this thing is amazing. And I read, because I've seen a couple of different recipes, and I've read some people say not to use any cooking spray on there, that it could ruin it. Some people are all about the cooking spray. I have used cooking spray. I've done, but most of the time I don't, because we don't clean ours out that often. We just kind of wipe it out. It's kind of a, I don't know, I guess I think of this more of as like a, like my cast iron. Like I just kind of season it. And I feel like that really helps with making it kind of have all the oils that are needed. Oh, are you ready? We're gonna make donuts. Okay, so let me get this little one squared away with some donuts of his own, and then I will come back to show you more. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is just turn your air fryer on. I do it for 5 minutes. I'm gonna do my temp at 360. Start. And then that's gonna preheat, and then it's gonna tell you to add your food, which those of you who have air fryers, you know this already. But I love my air fryer. We use it for everything. It is the absolute best way to heat up leftovers. It is so great if you want to do anything that normally would be fried. We've made egg rolls in them, we've done fries, we have made fried cheese sticks. I mean, you name it, we have made it in this thing, and I love it. It's very, very easy to use and very quick as well. And with as much as Jack loves French fries, French fry, this thing is amazing. Okay, so it's now told me to add my food. So I'm just gonna place my little donut rings. Probably get a few more in there, but we'll just leave it at 6. And we're gonna let that cook. Now, notice I did not spray anything on these because I really don't think it's needed. At the end, all you have to do is brush a little bit of butter on it before you put it into the confectioner sugar, and the confectioner sugar will hold on everything. And I only melted think I melted like 2.5 tablespoons of butter, and that will be enough to make all of our donuts for this morning. So it's not too bad. Okay, so it has given me the warning to turn my little donuts over. I'm just gonna flip these guys over. And these look like they're almost done. Okay, so I've got, these are done. I know, please, please. He wants another one. All right, so I'm going to just put this on a plate, these on a plate while I'm working on them. Actually, I mainly take a few out at a time. That way they stay nice and warm. I'm just gonna brush. I'm gonna get you more. Hold on, they're coming. Ooh, it's hot. Just brush a little bit of butter on there. Throw them into our sugar, and then just kind of toss them around. Are you doing the donut chant in there? Donuts, donuts, donuts. All right, and then just kind of dust it off a little bit. Set it on this plate to cool off so don't burn anyone's mouth. And let's get the next couple ones out. These are really hot, so it's better to just kind of place them on the plate, brush them with a little bit of butter, and throw them right in. And they look a little funky, but guys, they are so good. It really is a time thing. You want to make sure that you're working with hot donuts. So my dad, always growing up, we had pop-pop donuts. And of course, back then we didn't call them pop-pop donuts. Now he's pop-pop. But back then, my dad was famous for his donuts that he would make. He would even come to my school on my birthday, which is very appropriate since this is my birthday month. He would come to my school on my birthday and he would fry up donuts for the school. And where I went to school it was an open concept, like there were no walls, which was kind of crazy. But it was all, we had outer walls for the school, but that was it. Everything else was just open space. And so you could see all the classrooms and, you know, which was not great for a kid with ADHD. But anyway, my dad would come up there and make donuts for my class for my birthday, but the smell would just waft like through the school and teachers would just keep showing up, and so funny. I mean, we had more teachers just show up on my birthday, but I loved it. It always made me feel so special. And now Pop Pop makes them for his grandkids, and they're still our favorite. We love them. And this is just a slightly healthier version of the Pop Pop donut. So here is the finished product. I'm gonna get these to the boys, and then I'm gonna show you how to make the donut holes with the leftover little cutouts. Okay, so now I have my donut holes, and what I'm gonna do with the donut holes is, since this is already hot, I am not gonna preheat this. I'm just gonna stick these right in, and then I'm gonna cook these for a lot less time. So I got a little lazy, and I've decided that I'm just gonna kind of brush these while they're on the plate, because I got tired of brushing each one individually. I mean, I know I'm technically still doing that, but this way I'm just kind of dumping them on in there. I've got boys begging for more donuts. All right, so I'm gonna finish all these up, and we will have the final taste test. So the donuts are done. Hey Jack, here's yours. Okay, you ready? Ready? Cheers. What do you think? Is it good?
Play.
You gonna go play? Okay. Okay. Thank you. It's so good. It tastes kind of like a, sorry to talk with my mouth full. It tastes kind of like a cronut. It's real light and flaky. It's so good. They're amazing. You guys need to try them. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you try them. I'll link everything down below. Mention in the comments if you make these because they're so good. Thanks for joining me, guys. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't. And thank you for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful afternoon.